Good morning student. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at home. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay happy. Student, today our topic is Happy Easter and comparing height. Student, this is your drawing book Fun with Canvas. Now take out page number 14. Happy Easter. Observe the colored picture carefully, then complete the given picture using similar techniques. Use sketch pens and crayons. Use sketch pens and crayons.
Let's count some Easter eggs.
Students,
One
in this
little, two
patterns are
little,
there,
three
so
little
see
Easter
carefully
eggs, four little,
how I am
five
doing.
little, six little Easter eggs, seven little, eight little, nine little Easter eggs, 10 little Easter eggs. Great job, guys. Now let's count them backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Easter eggs, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Easter eggs, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Easter eggs, 1 little Easter egg. 1 Easter egg, 2 Easter eggs, 3 Easter eggs, 4 Easter eggs, 5 Easter eggs, 6 Easter eggs, 7 Easter eggs, 8 Easter eggs, 9 Easter eggs, 10 Easter eggs. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little Easter eggs, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little Easter eggs, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little Easter eggs, 10 little Easter eggs. Backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little Easter eggs, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little Easter eggs, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little Easter eggs, 1 little Easter egg. That was fun. Thanks for counting with me.
Let's count some buses. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. Great job, guys. Now let's count them backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little buses, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little buses, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little buses, 1 little bus. 1 bus, 2 buses, 3 buses, 4 buses, 5 buses, 6 buses, 7 buses, 8 buses, 9 buses, 10 buses. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little buses, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little buses, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little buses, 10 little buses. Backwards. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little buses, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little buses, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little buses, 1 little bus. That was fun. Thanks for counting with me.
Students, we have completed our drawing. Do practice at home. Students, we have completed our drawing. Do practice at home. Students, now take out page number 15. Comparing height. Color the picture using crayons as indicated. Color the picture using crayons as indicated. Student, this tree is tall. This tree is short. This giraffe is tall. So, we are comparing the heights.
Tico's rope is 2 feet long. Mario's rope is 4 feet long. So Mario said to Tico, I have got the longer rope, 'cause yours is 2 and mine is 4. So my rope has 2 feet more. We go hey yo. Who has got the longer rope? We go hey yo. Mario's got the longer rope. Mario's boat is 9 feet long. Tico's boat is 5 feet long. So Tico said to Mario, I have got a shorter boat, 'cause mine's 5 feet and yours is 9, which is 4 feet longer than mine. We go hey yo. Who has got the shorter boat? We go hey yo. Tico's got the shorter boat. Tico's telescope is 3 feet long. Mario's telescope is 5 feet long. So Mario said to Tico, I have a longer telescope, 'cause mine's 5 feet and yours is 3. So mine is longer by 2 feet. We go hey yo. Who has a longer telescope? We go hey yo. Mario's got a longer telescope.
Students, we have completed our drawing. Do practice at home. Take care. Bye bye.